This is a pig's heart. Remove any fat. The pulmonary veins and the veni cava are on the dorsal side. They have thin walls. The pulmonary artery and the aorta are on the ventral side. They have thicker walls. Look for the coronary artery and the coronary vein. Feel the texture of the ventricle walls. The left ventricle has a harder wall. Run water into the veni cava. Run water into the pulmonary veins. Run water into the pulmonary artery. Run water into the aorta. The semilunar valves stop water from coming out. Cut the ventricles from the bottom into halves. This is the coronary artery. Where does it branch from? Cut away the ventral half. Look for the bicuspid valves, the tricuspid valves, and the heart tendons. The septum separates the right ventricle from the left ventricle. Blood flows from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery in this direction, and from the left ventricle to the aorta in this direction. Cut away the front half of the atria. How do the atria and the ventricles differ? Cut open the base of the pulmonary artery. These are the semilunar valves. Cut open the base of the aorta. Identify the semilunar valves. What do these structures do?